my name's Christine. I'm behind Purple Pony Art, and today I'm going to be unboxing my latest piece of business equipment. I'm really excited about it. So let me just set up the stand and we'll see what's inside this box. Yes, the box is kind of big. I've wanted one for years. What do you think's inside? I'll give you a hint. I already own 3 of them, but much smaller. I'm a little nervous about opening it up. And actually it's going to be upside down, so I'll just turn it around. And as you can see, let's see. Oh, yes, it is an ultimate sweater machine. The kit comes with a ball of yarn, a row counter, that is this piece here, a manual, and a very important looking box. So I will watch the video before I start because I do not want to mess this up. I had to special order this machine. It's not something you can pick up at Michael's. And actually years ago it was, and I wish I'd used my 50% off coupon on it. This is the Intarsha key plate. This looks like the extender. So I'm really looking forward to this. As much as I enjoy hand knitting and my 3 Addy crank machines, this will let me produce larger pieces. This is the handle where you push it along the row of teeth. And from what I gather, you're supposed to let the machine do the knitting. There's a lot of complaints about this machine jamming, but it's possible people are just putting too much pressure and it can't move as intended. So it looks like I've got some learning to do before I really get into this. And you know, whether it's a knitting machine, a sewing machine, or a digital die cutting machine, you know, give yourself the time to learn and go through the learning process. Maybe you'll waste materials, but you know, that's okay because you'll get the most out of the machine once you become a pro. So this is not an electric machine, by the way. And as you can see, it's portable because the box has a handle. So fortunately it arrived in time for the weekend, and I have Friday off, so I'm really hoping I can sit down and make a little project or 2 to show off.